I am the bread Jesus used to feed 5,000 people, and your pastor uses me for communion.
I know you enjoy the bread speaking, right? Let me show you how to create this or image to speak like that, to make the bread speak like that, or any other image you want to talk using AI. Let me show you. So the first thing we need to do, go to Gemini again. We'll go to Gemini. When you go to Gemini, you come to the plus, you press the plus. As you know, always you press the plus, you go to image, create image. Then you put your prompt in, create me a Ghanaian bread with the mouth open sitting on a table. Okay, like that the AI going to create the bread, and the bread will appear just like this. You can see the bread. You can see the bread with the mouth open. So you come here where you get a small dot, you see what they get save. You just press save, the bread will save. Okay, the bread will save directly. The bread save. So now, okay, you see the bread save. So now what we need to do is we need to go to Google to create the image, to make the image speak like human being. And you know, so the first thing we have to go to before we go to this place, we have to go to AI. Here the AI, we have to come to this AI. Okay, you come to AI, you say, oh, do me a prompt where a bread is sitting on the table, the mouth is open, and whatever you want the bread to say, you tell AI to type it like, tell AI, say, okay, do me a prompt where the bread is speaking, saying, I am bread. Jesus used me to feed 5,000 human beings, and your pastor used me for communion. Nothing should appear automatic. So if I put that there and give it to AI, AI is going to create me the prompt. Okay, so I give it to AI, AI is going to create me the prompt, a giant bread sitting on the table. So you copy the prompt. Okay, you copy this prompt. After you copy the prompt, then you go back now to Google. When you go to Google, you put in Flow AI, FLOW, Flow AI. Now this is Flow AI. You click Flow AI. You wait for Flow AI to load. This video gonna be a little bit long. You wait for Flow AI to load. When Flow AI load like this is Flow AI. You wait for the first one is a Flow AI. You wait for it to load. You wait for Flow AI to load. As you see it load, then you see new project. You click the project. Okay, you click the new project. Now we want the bread. You click the new project. You come to the particular plugin. You get a plugin. You say upload media. You're going for the bread now. Okay, the bread more open here. You say done. The bread will come here. You wait for the bread to come. Now when the bread comes, you see start frame and you see end frame. Now we're not doing start frame and end frame. I will teach you what is start frame and end frame in the next video. Now you wait for the bread to show up here. Now the bread coming to show. Now the bread has show. You press start frame. When you press start